Have you noticed how many inaccuracies you find in the results from chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude? Have you noticed how empty and generic the information is all over the internet? Are you worried that your company's privacy might be compromised by the responsible use of artificial intelligence? Hi everyone, this is Karen from Promptitude. Today I want to explain what Promptitude is, how it can help you, and give you a quick 5-minute overview of everything the platform has to offer. Don't worry, we'll dive deeper into this in our upcoming video series. So, let's get started. First things first, what is Promptitude? Promptitude is an AI development platform for teams focused on text generation, ideal for companies that want to empower their employees, not just rely on a technical development team to implement AI into their workflows, but also boost productivity in administrative, creative, sales, legal, and financial departments, among others. With Promptitude, you'll have everything under control. Your library of reusable prompts, no more long repetitive chats, no more hallucinations, contextualize with your knowledge base. A secure environment for your business, no provider will be trained using your data. Guaranteed integration, today there are no excuses for not implementing AI responsibly. The Promptitude workflow is built on 3 pillars. Create, contextualize, and configure. Let me show you exactly how this works with a real example. Here's the scenario. We want to post more frequently on LinkedIn, specifically 5 key AI tips and tricks based entirely on our own lead magnets. This content isn't widely available online. It's original to Promptitude, reflects our style, and uses our internal product information. We'll start by building and strengthening our context by adding more key content to our content storage. You have 3 options for doing this. In this case, we'll use a manual folder. This is how we'll add the base files to provide context for our prompt. A processing step will run to split your content into chunks, which will make semantic searching easier later on by taking into account the content of each fragment. You can always try creating a prompt on your own. This time, we'll streamline the process using our wizard, but there are other easy ways to do it, such as using a template from our library or starting from scratch. We describe our goal with the prompt and let the magic happen. Voila! We get a fairly comprehensive prompt. As you'll see, it has a more detailed structure than a simple phrase to ChatGPT. Here, you'll find a best practice structure that defines context, instructions, roles, and formats. Not to mention input variables and snippets, which are key to transforming your prompt into a powerful, reusable tool. Experiment with a simple setup. Choose the provider that best suits you. Play around with a few parameters that will transform your test results. And finally, verify the context. When configuring your context, you can select the folders and tags in your storage where the semantic search should focus. In this case, our wizard has done this automatically. You can also define in more technical detail how to optimize your prompt. We're close to having a powerful tool in less than 3 minutes. Now, just try it out and use it in a simple form, changing the variables so you can use it over and over again without having to repeat the same instruction and process 1,000 times in a chat. Make sure all your information is properly contextualized by checking your own references and resources. 100% real, no hallucinations, completely your own. Now comes the final step, if you want to. Share it on a public page so your colleagues and external users can use it every day. Automate with our partners, from the simplest tools in your own stack, like Google Sheets, to complex structured workflows on make.com. Integrate anywhere and tailor it to your needs using our Promptitude API. Create as many keys as you need for different purposes and take your prompt's functionality to the next level. What are you waiting for? Get started for free with our gift of 50,000 tokens to generate your first test with any of the most popular providers on the market. See you in the next video!